English phrases explained. Be thirsty for. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, be thirsty for. This phrase is not just about needing a drink. So, let's quench your thirst for knowledge together. Be thirsty for is an idiom that means having a strong desire or eagerness for something, often knowledge, experiences, or achievements. It's not about physical thirst, but rather a metaphorical one. For example, she's thirsty for success in her career, implies a strong ambition. Let's see how this phrase works in different contexts. 1. Learning. He is thirsty for knowledge about different cultures. 2. Career. After years of study, she is thirsty for real-world engineering challenges. 3. Personal growth. They are thirsty for new experiences and adventures. Similar phrases include hungry for or yearning for. These also suggest a deep desire or longing for something beyond basic needs. For instance, hungry for adventure or yearning for recognition. This idiom is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. However, it's important to match the phrase with the right context. Using thirsty for in professional settings is usually acceptable, but always consider the tone and setting. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, be thirsty for. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and emotions they convey. Keep being thirsty for language learning, and I hope this video quenched a bit of that thirst.